In the latest dancehall news, there seems to be a feud between dancehall singer Dexta Daps and dancehall producer / artist Mr. G, formerly known as Goofy. According to Mr. G, he claims that Dexta Daps allegedly had his friends message him on Instagram and threaten him to kill him. Apparently, this is because of a contract dispute between one of Dexta Daps' friends, dancehall artist Blackman, who is signed to Mr. G but wants out of his contract because he claims that Mr. G is not doing anything to promote his career and is more interested in promoting his own career.
Yes, people, this is a copy of a report I just done make at the police station. Dexta Daps, make him friend them, message me on Instagram, and I send me death threat, say, me I got dead, them I go shoot me I got dead with me 2 eye them open, and them a call me and a threaten me and one bag of thing. Dexta, me never know say so you and your friend them bad. Well, here what now. Me just make the police them know where I go on. But little boy, you and your idiot friend them, if you don't feel like so bad, just see Mr. G anywhere at all and step to me. Idiot boy Dexta. And you little idiot friend. Black man, see that you finally make the front page of the newspaper with Mr. G. You come in at the paper, black man, and tell the people about me not do nothing for your career. You not get no show. Black man, you not get no show because you don't have a hit song. You stop come a studio, you stop work because you think so you're the biggest artist. Black man, you need a hit song. Hit song make phone ring. It make promoter look for you. It make newspaper look for you. You make TV look for you. Version of a hit song. Him a fly down the place. You make Dexta get up in your head because Dexta, bad man Dexta know why you boss. Dexta know you how long. Him ever carry you run and that sake and make you evil vice a line for that sake of youth. And me go save you and tell Dexta say your time come on the clock. And make Sean Isle and try to advise him and see that him boss with 7-11.
I have not heard Dexta Daps or Blackman's side of the story. However, this is my take on the whole situation. Again, this is just my opinion. Blackman, you're in a contract. That contract has an expiration date. You signed, so you must have read and understood what you signed. Whatever you signed to is what you have to honor, unless you had some kind of escape clause saying that you want to reach X point at X amount of year or X amount of time. Secondly, you just came out in 2014 or 2015. You've had 2 known songs, Nine Night and Miss You So Much, a collaboration that you did with Dexta Daps. That's 2 big songs in 2 years. Blackman, the truth is you're a talented artist and might feel as if you should have achieved more, but relatively speaking, you are still a young artist. Dexta Daps, you are a star and you have no reason to even be engaged in any kind of war or allegedly instigating a threat against anyone's life. You are already boss. You have nothing to gain but everything to lose to allow yourself to be drawn out in any kind of drama. I understand that Blackman is your friend and it is loyal and gangster to defend your friend. But a contract dispute is something that should be left to the courts and not the street. Gone are the days when those bully tactics used to work and you could bother people to get results. Nowadays, everybody is running to the police and posting on social media. They are leaving a trail of evidence to convict you in case something ever happens to them. Like they say, dead men tell no tale. However, in today's reality, video, paperwork, and social media trace evidence do. People, here's a little video mix of the parties involved to sum up this whole situation. Check it out.
Long time we no kill a man, so it's her Clemens like the little man. Set a bomb, make a damn black rain fall, so we must catch a man.
Ready for the action. Alright, them inna the dark and me night light. Cash pad play number 399. I saw me see say them a 399. This year one you call your friend them want fi dopey yo.
Them want fi iron dog and puppy yo.
Watch out, you da walk the ends of the earth for them.
No way at all them nah go for you. Them hard no clear.
Them want give you wreath and rose. Come at your funeral compose when your casket a close.
How much your life not forgotten? You know your white as you lie in your coffin.
Thanks once again for checking out my video. It is greatly appreciated. Please check out the website link in my profile banner. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bless up. One love.